Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch launched as a 20-piece online exclusive during the 2024 Miami Grand Prix is the Moser Cie Streamliner Cylindrical Tourbillon Alpine Limited Edition Pink Livery. Dedicated to Moser's partnership with the Alpine F1 team, this is in BWT sponsor pink. So BWT is the title sponsor of the BWT Alpine F1 team, or it was as of 2024. And so this is their corporate color. Only 20 of these were made, and again, it was a sort of capsule collection available online for a brief period during the Grand Prix weekend. And I would say that of the Moser limited editions of the last 5 years, I'm most often asked about this one and unable to deliver because so few exist. In steel, the watch is 42.3 millimeters in diameter. It's 14.2 millimeters thick, and being lugless, it's also 42.3 millimeters from lug to lug. It's on a lovely pink strap, and it is a very Miami pink. I love the fact that it's not that sort of weak, pale, millennial pink. This is intense pink. This is neon pink. This is nightlife, Miami Beach, and Miami pink. And you can see it wears nicely. Look how far inboard the edge of my wrist this is. A woman could wear this because it's so short lug to lug. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference, and even from the angle that exaggerates the width of a watch across the wrist, you can see how far inboard these lugs are. It's not super thin, but it's also not super thick, and the slope of the case flank will allow it to fit underneath a lot of cuffs. It's just a fantastic looking and fantastic wearing watch. The strap features a texture. It's perfectly conformed to the case, and you can see it's mounted underneath by a conventional spring bar system. We have texture and branding underneath. You can see no gouging or damage here. This is a brand new Moser factory strap. We've got a folding clasp, twin trigger release, something you will not commonly find on most Moser watches. A folding clasp is generally reserved for special pieces or very sporting pieces, and this one is very sporting. So you can see it's a double fold, and it's got a twin trigger release. You have to press both these triggers to open it up, so it's going to stay put. That's most appropriate for a sports watch. Screw down crown, 120 meter water resistance. It's the real deal. The case flanks are recessed. You can see a combination of satin and polish. There's a sort of lapping machine radial grain on the top of the bezel, and the watch is designed to evoke the 1970s without plagiarizing any specific model, so it captures the spirit of the era without ripping anyone off. So a little bit like the 1992 Dodge Viper, which was clearly the spiritual heir to the old Allard J2 and the Shelby Cobra. The Viper didn't look like those, but you would look at the car and you would say, yeah, I see it. This captures the spirit of the 70s. Now we've got this dramatically boxed and cambered sapphire over yet another sapphire, this one pink, featuring ceramic-based Globalite lume. And you'll appreciate that unlike most skeleton watches, this one's actually quite easier to read once it comes time to tell the time. You can easily read it day or night. We've got a cylindrical tourbillon, which is the namesake of the Streamliner cylindrical tourbillon. So you can see the bridge is blued and the structure is beautifully decorated. It's easily the best decorated part of the movement. But what you should notice is that double overcoil cylindrical hairspring. We're going back to our John Arnold here, but the helical hairspring is the best form for concentric breathing no matter the position. An overcoil is good. Two terminal coils is better, but the cylindrical hairspring is the best for a positionally and gravitationally agnostic hairspring setup. Now it's free sprung, so adjustments are done using variable inertia bolts on the balance rim. So once it's set, it's shock resistant, and the pairs of opposed balance screws actually allows for very precise setting. It's a 1-minute tourbillon, so it effectively acts as the second hand for the watch. It's a 3 hertz beat rate. This is all automatic winding with a rotor on the back that features ceramic bearings attached to a bidirectional magic lever style pawl-based winding system energizing a 74-hour power reserve. You can see it's heavily skeletonized with blackened bridges that are satinated on their tops and then cut with diamond-tipped milling tools to create a nice shiny bevel. You can see that the bearing center is a sunburst. All the screw heads are polished. We have a skeletonized, media blasted, and satinated rotor that allows you to see the works. The underside of the tourbillon is actually mounted on ceramic bearings to give it a nice broad base of support. Note the use of a shock-protected balance staff on both sides for a tourbillon. Most tourbillon regulators, even in 2026, are still not shock protected. So it is a flying tourbillon in addition to everything else because it has no upper bridge to brace it or block your view, which is one of the reasons it uses this wide ball bearing system on the bottom, and it's a large movement that properly fills this large watch's case back. A very cool piece, and you can see just 20 of them made. Folks absolutely adore this watch, and I have to say I see why. The bright colors, the high horology, the cool German-Swiss brand behind it, and the fun people who watch the brand, follow the brand, and even own the brand. The folks like Edouard Milan, the CEO, and his brother Bertrand, they're the owners. They're about as fun and accessible as any major watch brand owners in the business. And out of Schaffhausen, if you want to get in touch with them over social media, they'll almost always ping you within 24 hours. Try that with Patek Philippe and Audemars Piguet, but Moser's a different animal. Check out this Streamliner, Cylindrical tourbillon, Alpine, limited edition. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.